Chapter number 6, Au travail, at work. So here we are going to start up with the chapter reading first. This is a conversation between two friends. The name of first friend is Mari and the other one is Zo. So as given in the picture, you can see that the name of girl is Mari and the name of boy is Zo. And Mari is sick and she's lying down on the sofa. And what she's doing, because of fever, she's applying some bandage, the cold bandages on her head. And the boy who is there standing aside, named Zo, is asking that what happened. Okay, so salut, ça va? Zo, salut, oui, ça va bien, merci, et toi? Marie, ça ne va pas bien, je suis malade. Zo, il faut aller chez le médecin. Marie, mais comment? Ma mère n'est pas à la maison. Zo, où est elle? Marie, elle est à l'école. Elle est institutrice. Zo, et ton père? Marie, il est coiffeur, alors il est aussi au travail. Zo, d'accord, ce n'est pas grave. J'appelle mon père, il est médecin. Marie, merci beaucoup. Et ta mère? Elle est aussi médecin? Zo, non, elle est chanteuse. Marie, ok, c'est génial. Chapter explanation. So the conversation between Mari and Zo, simultaneously I'll be repeating it. Hi, how are you? Next is, hi, I am fine, thank you. And you? Mari, I'm not well, I'm sick. Zo, you should go to the doctor. Mari, but how? My mother is not at home. Zo, where is she? Now the next page. Mari, she is in school. She is a teacher. Zo, and your father? Mari, he is a barber, so he is also at work. Zo, okay, it's not serious. I call my father. He is a doctor. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Mari is saying thank you so much. And your mother, is she also a doctor? Zo, no, she is a singer. Mari, okay, it's great. Qui est malade? Yes, Yash, please answer. Qui est malade?
Yes, ma'am. Mari est malade.
Mari est malade. Very good. Mari is sick because this is a conversation between two persons, Mari and Zo. So Mari is sick. Où est la mère de Mari? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Where is Mari's mother and what is she doing? Anybody would like to give the answer? Yes, Anant? Yes, you can answer, Vita.
Ma'am, yes. La mairie de Maria l'école, il est institutrice. Il est institutrice.
La mère de Marie est à l'école, elle est institutrice. Marie's mother is in school, she's a teacher. Next, quelle est la profession des parents de Zo? What is the profession of Zo's parents?
Yes, ma'am. Son père est médecin. Sa mère est chanteur.
Le père de Zoe est médecin et la mère de Zoe est chanteuse. Okay, means Zoe's father is a doctor and Zoe's mother is chanteuse, that is singer. So
Yes,
now question
ma'am.
number
Ma'am,
2 is Koshel est beau réponse Mari A, bien, malade or heureuse. Bien is
Ma'am,
good,
second.
malade is sick, very good. And third, heureuse is happy. So here we can say that Mari is sick. Malade is the correct answer. Next is second, le père de Marie A. What is the profession of Marie's father? So he is coiffeur, that is barber. A part is correct answer. Coiffeur, professor or médecin. So Marie's father is a coiffeur. Next, la mère de Zoe A. Mother of Zoe is professor, pilot or chanteuse. So the mother of Zoe is chanteuse. Her profession is singer. Next page, question number 3 says dites vrai ou faux, true or false. Okay, so there are 4 parts A, B, C, and D. First is Zoe appelle le médecin à la maison. Zoe has called the doctor at house. Vrai ou faux?
Ma'am, gray.
Vrai, because Zoe's father is a doctor and he has called his father. Next, B is Mari n'est pas malade. Mari is not sick.
Ma'am, four.
Faux, because Mari
Faux.
was sick. Next, Tiana. Third is Le père de Marie n'est pas à la maison. Mari's father is not at home.
Yes, ma'am, gray.
Vrai. And the last is Tarjeet. Le père de
Yes,
Zoe
ma'am.
est coiffeur.
Yes, ma'am. Please, can you repeat?
Le père de Zoe est coiffeur. Zoe's father is
Ma'am,
coiffeur.
ma'am, four.
Faux, because what is the profession of Zoe's father? Il est
Ma'am, doctor.
doctor, médecin. So this is about the comprehension questions of chapter number 6. Now we are going to start up with the new topic, that is la négation, the negation. Okay, so here we are going to learn about how we can do the negation. What is the process of doing the negation? Okay, so please listen to me carefully. As in English, if I say I am going to the bakery shop, and if I have to do this, I have to frame the sentence into negative. So what will be the answer? I am not going to bakery shop. So same way, we are going to learn how we can do the negation in French. So what is the formation for doing negation? We just have to check what is the verb, and we have to put na before the verb and pa after the verb. Suppose I am saying, I am just giving you one example. Je suis un étudiant. I am a student. So please check what is the verb here. The verb is suis, that is your être verb. So what was the formation? Na before the verb and pa after the verb. So if I have to change the sentence into negative, I have to put na before the verb and pa after the verb. C'est je ne suis pas un étudiant. Next very thing which I have to do is, whatever is the article, if the article is a, yun and they, okay, it will be changed to de whenever it is negative. If I am doing the sentence negative, my article is a will be changed to de the, but it will not change. It will remain same when if the verb is être. अगर सेंटेंस में हमारे पास वर्ब कॉन्जुगेशन जो है वो être है, तो हम ये वाला आर्टिकल चेंज नहीं करेंगे. दिस विल रिमेन अ. इफ आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल, J'ai une fleur. I have a flower. So you can see what is the verb here. The verb is avoir. First of all, do the negation. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas. This une will be changed to de. Je n'ai pas de fleur. So what does it mean? If the verb être is there in the sentence, this article indefini will remain same. And if there is another verb apart from être verb, then the article un and they will be changed to de. This is only followed with the indefinite article. This rule is only followed with indefinite article. Is it clear? If it would be definite article, agar definite indefinite articles क्या होते हैं? Indefinite articles and definite articles. ठीक है? This is a, un and they. This, whenever we do negation, it changes to de, but it remains same if the verb is être. If in sentence the definite article are there, le, la, le and l apostrophe, it will not change, it will remain same. हम उसको भी change नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है? What is the problem, Tarjeet?
Nothing, ma'am, for giving the answer.
Okay. Right now, I have not asked any question. So further, if I give you 2-3 examples, you people can answer me the question. I'm saying j'ai un livre. You have to change this sentence to negative. Tu es une fille. You have to change this sentence to negative. J'aime le gâteau. You have to change these 3 sentences into negative. So first, Avneet Kaur is going to answer. J'ai un livre. What will be the negation?
Okay, ma'am. If I'm here, we can say, so ma'am, there is ma'am avoir verb and ma'am the verb is a. So ma'am, first it will be ma'am, j'ai, pas, and
Je
ma'am
n'ai
then
pas.
it will be yeah ma'am, and then there is so ma'am it will be changed to de,
The.
and ma'am then livre.
The livre. Je n'ai pas de livre. ठीक है? Next, Yash is going to answer the next one. Tu es une fille. What is the verb here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here the verb is esa.
Yes.
Ma'am, and we will then it is starting with an vowel, so we will write tu,
Yes.
n apostrophe, then s, then pa, the feeling.
Yeah, this un will be changed to de.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, da.
No. This un will remain same. What I have told, that if there is être verb in the sentence, so you are not going to change the article. So this es is the être verb only. What is être verb? Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. This is the verb. So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
es is the verb. Es is here in the sentence. So how you can change the article? So here
So, ma'am,
article will not be changed. It will remain same.
Ma'am, if être verb is there.
If être verb is there. Apart from être verb, whatever is the verb, you are going to change a, un, they to de. But if être verb is there in the sentence, you are not going to change the article. Yes, Tarjeet. What will be the third one?
Yes, ma'am. The third is je aime les gâteaux. Ma'am means I like the cake. So
Yes.
its negative form will be j, ma'am, then n apostrophe aim, ma'am, pas les gâteaux.
Le gâteau. Because here this is definite article. Okay, so definite article also remains same. There is no change. Okay, everyone. I hope this negation part is clear to you.